batch which I am taking currently. So see, the curriculum is designed into two halves. One is your admin and one is your developer. This entirely course to start with your ServiceNow ITSM journey. So if you see this from day one to day 9, it's actually not day 9. It will extend till day 12 or day 13 because of few things available, which is of very useful to admin and developer. So it has been designed into two stuff, half admin and developer. Once you have learned this admin and developer, there's special add-ons over here is integrations where you will be able to do the integrations from ServiceNow to ServiceNow or ServiceNow to third party also. So if you are very new to ServiceNow, you have to start your career with admin first of all, because admin is the base. ITSM is the base for each and every module. Like we have Nagaraju, he has worked on ITOM, but the base is of ITSM only. So whatever the module you will be learning, the base will be ITSM. There you will create tables, catalogs, record producers, UI, a lot of things are there. Now, there is no prerequisites for coding over here. There is no need of any particular language. Here I am make you teach the language which ServiceNow use called Glide, which is very easy to learn. There's no nothing like Python, nothing like completely JavaScript. No, don't have to know all this. If you don't know also, well and good. So when you start your career, if you are completely new, you have to start with admin. And this course, including uh, gist of integrations, will give you around 2+ year experience in ServiceNow, where you can switch easily outside after completing this course. Now, after completing this course, you have to get one certification called CSA, because now market is demanding for CSA certification. Until 31st of August of this next month, next month, the certification is for free to everyone. Anyone can take the certification. The certification cost is $300 if you go outside and give the examination. It is $300, but this $300 for free once you complete the course, and you will get a voucher code. You have to complete, you have to follow some step, you will get the voucher code over there in the ServiceNow portal itself. So this is what in this course I am going to teach you in entire admin developer in this 25 to 30 days of this period. So if you're very new to ServiceNow, no issues. If you are you have already worked on ServiceNow, good. You also have no experience prior to any of the IT experience, well and good. This is completely new tool where you can create your own application, where you can create your own catalog similar to Amazon, similar to Flipkart. You can create your without writing a script. I'm talking. You can send data from my laptop to your laptop with the help of integrations. So something like that, my ServiceNow instance to your ServiceNow instance, something like that you can do with the help of this ServiceNow, which is very useful. I was saying is without writing a single line of code, you can build your own application, build your own catalog similar to you have seen like Flipkart, Amazon, similar kind of catalog you're going to build without writing a single line of code with the help of this ServiceNow. Now, ServiceNow currently giving you this instance for free. It's not giving you for free since 10 years. I think they are giving it for free. We don't know in the upcoming futures. They might charge you, but this is the place where you have to go, developer.servicenow.com, where you have to register yourself. This we will discuss on the very first class when you will be part of, and there I will make you register for this personal instance where you will start doing this development, and it will look something like this. We have something like this, and here only you are going to start creating your application, build your own custom applications and all that stuff. So coming back to ServiceNow, why you are going to choose ServiceNow? Because every organization currently is moving from legacy to the cloud-based application. ServiceNow is a cloud-based application. It is hosted on the cloud so that you can access it from anywhere. For example, Gmail is there. You can access your Gmail from your phone, from your laptop, wherever you are sitting. From there, you can access it. Similarly, ServiceNow can be accessed from anywhere. That's why it is moved from legacy to the cloud. So you have to just log into ServiceNow. That's it. You don't have to install any application. You don't have to download any application to use this service. It will automatically take you to the instance like this. What I did every day, just I put my instance name dev.servicenow.com and I am on this instance. I have not downloaded anything, and you are the one which you will be creating everything over here. So ServiceNow provide you a platform where you will create your application. That's why it is called platform as a service. And this is just an interview question which I am telling you. They will ask you on which level ServiceNow will sit. Is a platform where you will develop your application. And in my course, I am not going to use any kind of PPTs. No, I am going to do the hands-on for each and every thing which I have mentioned over here, from ServiceNow introduction to branding to everything which I have mentioned over here. So there will be no PPT involved, only the hands-on, and the assignment will be something like this. I will show you one of the batch, let's say this batch. Let's say it's the batch which is completed already. So assignment will be something like this, along with the interview questions which I am going to give you, which you need to prepare, and I will help you to prepare all these questions, what is being asked, along with the some of the external sources where you can get the examination. And there will be a live project also, where it's a exact requirement which your client need. You will be getting something like this. Yep. So this is just a live project one. Similarly, once you complete the admin, you will get one live project. And once you get the development, you will get second live project. And the final live project will be once you completed all the this courses. Is that no this part. So that's why it is divided into admin and developer. And then this is what I follow. So again, I am telling you, ServiceNow is hosted on the cloud platform, where you have to just log into this instance similar to your Gmail, and you will come inside this instance and you will start developing your product. If you wanted to see catalog, I'll show you one demo. This is a homepage of ServiceNow, which is called Service Portal. It's a website, you can say, similar to the website which you are going for Flipkart or Amazon. Let's say there's an option called request something. You can change everything. You can create this without writing a script over here. Let's say you wanted to order Google Pixel. So something like this, we are going to create it. Every specification, everything, every details, and you can order it. So catalogs, record producers, integrations, tables, lot of stuff we are going to learn in ServiceNow.
So, I mean, I'm completely new to ServiceNow. So, what is this used for end to end? And I want to know about the ServiceNow integration and
Yeah.
ServiceNow GRC. So, how is this course going to help me to understand those two?
So integrations is already included in this course. If you see
Sorry,
this,
which one?
integrations, ServiceNow
Okay.
integrations from one ServiceNow to another ServiceNow to third party is already integrated in, included in this course. GRC is a separate module, which is not included over here. But GRC is built on top of ITSM. So to understand GRC structure, you need to start with ITSM first.
So, what is ITSM, and what is this complete flow of service now? I mean, you have showed some
Yeah.
e-commerce site like thing, right? So,
Yeah. So this belongs to the ITSM. So there are, let me show you one PPT which is there, which I don't use actually. So this is the architecture of ServiceNow. ServiceNow itself is divided into few modules. One is ITSM, this is service management. Second is customer service, HR, SecOps. So these are the separate modules in ServiceNow. You are talking about GRC, which is also a new module in ServiceNow. I think they are using since 4 years. Now ITSM is a legacy one, which is service management here, ITSM. This is separate module, which is the base for ServiceNow, incident problem change. This entire module we are going to cover in this course. Now, on top of this ITSM, these 5, 6, 7 things are built up. HR, SecOps, ITOM, ITBM. So these are separate modules which is built on top of this ITSM. So understand all those concepts, we need to understand what ITSM is first.
Now, is it used for creating e-commerce sites? What is it? I did not understand.
It can be used as an e-commerce site. It can be used as a, it's just extension. It can be used for a lot of things. E-commerce site, vendor management portal, agent workspace, lot of things are there ServiceNow can create. So that's why companies are moving towards ServiceNow. It's not limited to only one, like e-commerce site. You can create user profile. Let's say you have to manage your organization users. How you are going to manage it? So ServiceNow is going to manage on behalf of you. You have to create something, a user table. There, everything will be managed with the help of integrations. So LDAP is there. A lot of integrations are there. So it's not limited to one stuff. It's 360 degree. So no, it was a ticketing tool in 2004 when it was introduced by Ferd Ludi. It replaced BMC Remedy tool at that time. There's a tool called BMC Remedy tool. In 2004, it was a ticketing tool, but now it's not a ticketing tool. Not now, since 5 to 10 years, it stopped having the ticketing tool. It still support ticketing tool. It still support a lot of stuff related to tickets, but now it has this many modules, which is not ticketing. HR onboarding and offboarding of users. How many users are coming to your instance, how many users are using their instance, going back, everything. A seamless process of once you join your organization, you will get an automated mail, everything. This is taken care by the HRSD module in ServiceNow. For banking project, we have SecOps, where they use security. ITOM maybe, is there? I guess Nagaraju is there. Nagaraju can explain on this ITOM. He's been using ITOM. So here they used to do the mapping of,
Yeah, discovery mapping and service mapping.
yeah. So this is separate modules in ServiceNow, and the base is your ITSM. So you can do a lot of stuff over here. Okay. So that's what I wanted to show you, this diagram. And even though you can see the customers, not this, the customers currently are using ServiceNow. Just an example which I put it. Netflix uses as a support over here, and Facebook also uses support. But American Express, they use as a ServiceNow development, where they have their own catalog. If you open American Express, the catalog which you see, no, is built on the ServiceNow. So there are a lot of companies which you can see available over here, which are using ServiceNow as a development and as a support, as an admin. Lot of stuff are there. They can do it. But
So, what these companies use ServiceNow for? Which area, like UI or middleware?
ServiceNow supports both UI also and backend also. Backend we have ServiceNow table, and UI they have front end. So UI is nothing but which I have shown you just now. That is the UI, customer support center, service portal. So you can build the UI for separate client. Let's say Netflix, you need to build this portal, and they can request all this stuff. Like they want to raise a ticket on behalf of Netflix, I'm talking. So let's say your payment has some issue. So they will come and they will create an incident from here. And for American Express, you will see some catalog, something like this, which I have shown you just now. These are the catalogs. Return to Office, Royal Enfield. So this kind of catalog which you can see for the American Express based on their condition. This is just which I have created. Ignore this, but still something like this you are going to create it with the major customers. So they will mostly support catalogs. They will mostly support record producer integrations and this user data, which is being part of ITSM.
What is ITSM? You're saying a lot of times ITSM.
ITSM full form is incident IT service management. Service management consists of everything. Your users, sorry, your tables, your catalogs, your virtual task board, your update set, your development, your integrations. So the combination of everything, IT service management, the service which you are provided to the client. The service can be of catalog, the service can be of integration, the service catalog consists of the user profile data. So it's just a module name. It's just a name of module. Inside that module, we have these many details to study. Similarly, ITOM is a separate module. If you see this, if I talk about ITOM, I will tell ITOM. So ITOM has this discovery, service mapping, event management, orchestration, cloud management. So these are the modules present under this ITOM. If I talk about ITSM, it has incident, problem, change, asset, marketing, finance, legal, facilities. All this stuff is present under this ITSM. It's just a name. Under that, we have this course. And this is a base one, very basic.
नो नो अभी सर्विस ये कोर्स पे ये पूरा डिस्कस करेंगे या कुछ और
हाँ,
डिस्कस?
कोर्स पे एडमिन एंड डेवलपमेंट डिस्कस करेंगे. एडमिन एंड डेवलपमेंट. Not using any PPT as I told you. I am going to use hands-on only, and I am going to give you the assignment on hands-on only for integrations also. So you are going to integrate with ServiceNow to ServiceNow, ServiceNow to Postman, and if Jira is free, we can integrate with Jira also. So third-party tools we can integrate.
And what about those other domains that you just explained, ITOM, ITBM, CSM? So are we going to get any sort of overview of what they are, or there are separate courses for them?
ITOM, I can give the overview, but what exactly inside the ITOM is not being part of this course. The ITOM is exactly same course similar to ITSM, which will be again 10, 12 days course, 15 days course. So this is just ITSM. And on top of ITSM only ITOM is built. The table structure and everything remain the same. So Nagaraju know well on ITOM. So Nagaraju, just tell me, table, scripts, policies are similar to the ITSM if you know this.
Yes.
Yeah, the only thing is that the base will be your ITSM. Then you can learn any of the modules by your own, or you can go with the trainings.
Like developer in the sense, we need to as per client requirement, we need to. They will give the stories and as per.
Yes, they will give you the requirement stories. Actually, if they follow agile methodology, they will give the stories. The story will have some points. You need to develop that stories in the time frame, and then you need to deliver it to the client. Requirement stories. That's what I have given you. One live project is similar to this. Yeah, this one, requirement stories. Once we create catalog, then we'll start. And then live project 2, which we have this related to incident management. So
yes, like incident management, also like the ticketing tool, right? Like we need to create the fields for insurance.
It's not, you are going to create a button over there, everything you are going to create.
Yes.
This is just for your example, which I am giving you. Assignment, which I will be giving you. This is second assignment. Third will be the combination of both 1 and 2. Once we complete everything along with the integration. So that is also taken care. You will be getting. One is very difficult to get.
I just searched the Naukri. Everyone looking for more than 3 years. So that's why.
2+ years, 3+ years. So in this 2, 3+, first year, to admin will learn. Guys will learn only admin courses, admin stuff. Second year they will do development. Third, they are going to use this integration. So you can use 2+ years, 3+ years, doesn't matter. But yeah, it's complete course where you can get a job for sure.